Top 10 Duty Scrub Sponges. Number 1. This review will focus on the Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Scrub Sponges. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I will provide a professional and unbiased assessment of this product. The Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Scrub Sponges are a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. Manufactured by Scotch Brite, a reputable brand, these sponges offer excellent quality and durability. One notable feature of these sponges is that they are not discontinued, meaning they are readily available for purchase. They have a product dimension of 4.5 x 9 x 2.8 inches and weigh approximately 6.72 ounces. The item model number is 529-5, and it was first made available on October 22, 2009. These sponges are made by Scotch Brite, a company known for its commitment to producing high-quality cleaning products. The product's ASIN is B0043P0GRA, and its country of origin is Canada. In terms of popularity, the Scotch Brite